Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with solar power prep, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, hydraulic levelers, quad step entry, water heater bypass, quad slides, outside speakers, outside shower, spare tire, roof ladder, backup camera ready, LED exterior lighting, vanity with sink, residential grade carpeting, satellite prep, stainless sink, shower skylight, entertainment center, 3-burner cooktop, overhead storage, overhead kitchen storage, king size bed, linen cabinet, smoke detector, AM FM CD DVD Bluetooth stereo system, LED interior lighting, underbed storage, high-rise faucet, sink covers. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.